Good morning, everybody. Of all my spin casting rods, which we call whipping rods here, this is my absolute favorite, my Guide Select Pro. It's 9'9", medium rated, and I can honestly tell you I've never had a better rod than this. And I think I'm up to 3. Aloha guys, Scooby here. I'd like to show you my number one spinning rod that I use right here. Guide Select Pro. Now this Guide Select Pro here is my number one. There's a lot out there, and what's nice about these Guide Select Pros, they do offer a limited lifetime warranty, which means is that they will take care of it. But nowadays they will charge a mailing fee depending on how it was damaged to send the unit and send it back. Okay, so this one here is the one I first got many years ago, and I loved it so much that just got another. So now I have a couple of these units. I love them. Um, I let my friend use this one here one day. Oh, he loved it too, so he got his own. This is the Guide Select Pro GSP-S-992. As you can see right there, those are the stats. GSP means Guide Select Pro. The S means it's a spinning model. 992 means is 9 feet 9 feet 9 inches in 2 parts. Okay, so this here is medium. I like the medium. The medium is good for general all around purposes. So let me just show you with my other unit here. Okay, the Fore-grip, which is this part right here, this is 2 3/4 inches. The handle style right here, the handle style is just called spinning A. Every company has their own designation, but this one's called spinning A. Okay, the recommended line weight for this model is 8 to 17 pound test. The recommended lure weight is 3/8 to 1. Now this is the medium. Now if you went with the medium light, that one there is rated for 3/16 to a half ounce. So that one there is more for the freshwater guys that are going for smaller fare. This one here is meant for more truly bigger pan-sized creatures. Okay, this one here, the number of guides is pretty good. It's 9 plus 1. 9 means is that you're going to have 9 guides along the main length of the rod, and the +1 means is that you got a tip here. So this is a 9 plus 1. Okay, it's a 2 sectional, which means that each piece here, this is a 50/50, so it's kind of like split down the middle, so it's gonna be nice and even. I use fishing butlers here to keep my 2 pieces together. Oh, and another thing is the rear length here. I gave you the Fore-grip. The rear length here is 11 1/4 inches, really nice, and it does have a nice little butt cap. So what type of fish can you get with a medium rating? Well, let's see now. If you're in the upper regions where you're going to go freshwater fishing, because I live in the islands, it's all saltwater. So if you're going to go for freshwater, you can go from bass to trout, walleye, fish like that. Mid-range, so pretty good sized fish. But since I'm using it here for saltwater purposes, my main targets are jacks and bonefish. Now the rod taper on this one is an F rating, so F means fast, not fine. It means fast. So that means that it has a good upper bend in the top quarter of the rod. So that's Okuma's designation for this sensitivity and rating. Also, I've noticed on my own throughout the years, because of the way this is built, this is fast and accurate And I generally tend to be very, very accurate. Like if I go out with my friends and say, see those bubbles there? I go, phew. I'll either go past the bubbles or in front of it in anticipation of what the fish might do. So that's very important, is to have accuracy, which means that this is not a, wavy type of rod. This one here has structure in the thicker areas, and the top part, like I said, within the top quarter is you're going to get more of that the whiplashing, so you can really get your jig or uh, lure, bait, whatever out there. These rods here, these rods here are best for open water, fresh or saltwater applications. Or you can go with the C model for cranking. Let me show you casting, cranking. That's this one here. You can always tell this one here because it's always going to have the finger grip here, the index finger grip. I have this one too. So when I only use this when I go up to visit my friends up in Texas, I bring this with my Komodo, and Komodo is a big caster, also by Okuma. Nice 1-2 combination. I'm fairly accurate with this one. I kind of like this. I've gotten used to going under trees and shrubs. I have to, instead of overhand, I just have to go sideways and just kind of dash it in sideways. You know the weight for this? Not bad. It's only 6.1 ounces. And that's due to the 30, 40-ton carbon graphite construction. So, I can honestly say this is my favorite because as you saw the tube here in back of me, I just got my second one. Thank you, John Bretza and Bobby, the guys over at Okuma, for getting it fast to me. And these are backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So that means basically you have to own it. If you passed away and it came down to somebody else, well, they got to take care of it on their own, right? So if something ever happened, just get in contact with the company. If they okay it, before they used to ship it to you, but now I think they charge. Oh, I don't want to say what they charge. I read what it was, but it may change because it changes every year, right? So there is a mailing charge, but they do mail these items if it's replaced or brand new in these really nice, indestructible tubes with nice caps on it. So that's my report on the Guide Select Pro. Yes, it's what I use all the time. For spin casting here in the islands, I use it all the time. I mean, you look at all my videos, what do you see me using? Guide Select Pros, right? Thank you.